Hi, today I will be showing you how to install locustio into your EC2 instance. Let's see how to install that. I just created one EC2 instance. Check what's the version of Python. It's 2.7. Check whether openssl is there in your instance or what. Yes, it's there. Actually, when you're selecting an instance, by default it will be having openssl. Just update your EC2 instance. It's taking some time, maybe internet might be slow. Next you'll be creating virtual environment for locust. Yeah, it's creating. Yes, now just activate that. It's activated. Now just install gcc. It's just a compiler, right? Now install C++. Now you will be installing locustio 0.1315. Now check whether it is installed or what. Yes, it's been installed. Now just create one file. And just paste this. This is just a small program. Okay. Now try to access. Before that you need to check whether the security group, whether the port is opened or what. Oh, port is not open. It's left to you whether to give anywhere or my IP. Now you can give how many users you want, like 200, 300, any hatch rate, how many ever you want, that much, like 5, 6, 20, 10. I'm just giving 6. you can see the reports, and if you want you can see just chats. Even if you want you can download that, and any failures are happening you can see here. Any exception, if you want to download any data like request statistics, response time stats, failures, exceptions. Okay, thank you.